Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable auto download for photos on WhatsApp so you never miss an image sent to you, even when you're offline, whether you're using mobile data or connected to Wi-Fi. This quick setup will make sure every photo is saved automatically to your device. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready on the main chat screen. Next, look up to the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. This opens a small menu where you'll see several options. From there, select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Storage and Data. Tap on it to open more options related to your media and data usage. Here you'll notice sections for auto download media. They're divided based on your connection type, one for mobile data and another for Wi-Fi. Tap on when using mobile data and you'll see checkboxes for different types of files such as photos, audio, videos, and documents. To ensure your photos always download automatically, check the box next to photos. After selecting it, tap OK to save the change. Now, repeat the same step for when connected on Wi-Fi. Tap it, check the box beside photos, and hit OK. This setting ensures photos will download automatically whether you're using your mobile network or a Wi-Fi connection. That's all it takes. You've successfully enabled auto download for photos in WhatsApp. From now on, every image sent to you will automatically appear in your gallery or photo folder without any extra taps. Keep in mind that automatic downloads can use data if you're not connected to Wi-Fi. So make sure your data plan can handle it or adjust settings accordingly. Quick and simple, right? Now you can enjoy seeing every photo instantly the moment it's sent. Thanks for watching.